Brightshow specializes in custom headwear manufacturing, partnering with brands and businesses, from designer brands and e-commerce operations to corporate procurement partnerships, with a focus on eco-friendly materials, flexible production, and high-quality craftsmanship. We deliver headwear solutions that enhance brand identity and market competitiveness, supported by sustainable material innovation and responsible manufacturing practices. Established in 1996, we bring over 30 years of expertise in hat manufacturing. Through continuous innovation and efficient production management, we have grown into a trusted mid to high-end custom headwear manufacturer, serving more than 2,000 global B2B clients worldwide. We continue to advance functional headwear development to meet evolving global market demands. Our products are exported to Japan, Europe, the United States, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. We maintain long-term cooperation with internationally recognized brands such as Adidas, Nike, Walmart, and other global brands. Our warehouse in Los Angeles supports localized fulfillment warehousing and fulfillment services for North American clients, ensuring efficient distribution and seamless coordination across global markets. Our 30,000 square meter manufacturing facility operates a complete hat production workflow, including cutting, sewing, shaping, embroidery, printing, quality inspection, and packaging. Annual output exceeds 1 million dozen, approximately 12 million pieces. Certified with GRS, OCS, ICS, CITEX, HIG Index, BSCI, and ISO 14001. Eco-certified factory with solar energy and recyclable water, meeting global environmental standards. We maintained strict quality standards while supporting flexible multi-style production. Sample development is completed within 7 to 14 days, followed by bulk production within 30 to 45 days. We provide one-stop customization services covering color, fabric, structure design, and logo applications, including embroidery, printing, and diversified patches. We support small batch and flexible production to meet the fast-changing needs of e-commerce brands. Our team delivers reliable after-sales support, return and exchange services, responsive customer communication, and warranty coverage based on product type and client requirements. Shipping options include sea freight, land transport, and air freight, ensuring efficient and flexible global delivery. Our team of more than 300 skilled professionals forms our production, research, quality control, and service departments. With extensive industry knowledge and strong collaboration capabilities, we ensure precision manufacturing, consistent quality, and dependable partnership for every project. Brightshow, your reliable partner in custom hat solutions.